Hello my peeps! Are you as excited as I am for a new video after a long period of non-refundable, slowly decaying time? No? Guess what? I'm not excited about this video at all. So you are excited as me. Even the algorithm is not excited. Actually, I wanted to make a video about a topic which was in the news for a short period of time, but I'm a lazy piece of garbage and yes, as you can see, there's no video. There is not even a script. Just an introduction. But I deleted it because who cares? So instead, I decided to give you the best way to earn money easy, fast, without revealing your identity or privacy, and without risking your future. All you need is love. No, not really. You don't need that at all. Forget that. All you need is a little bit of creativity. Only a little bit. Even your microscopic amount of creativity is enough. And a computer. But I assume you have a computer somewhere. Sounds awesome? It is awesome. The first thing you have to do is art. Everybody can do art. Art has no limits. In fact, if someone says your creative works are not art, they are wrong. To create art, you need to have an idea, a concept, a message, an emotion which you want to convey to the receiver, the enjoyer, the observer of the art. Do you have a message? No? Come on, think about something. Good enough. Now you need the computer I mentioned earlier. On that computer you need some kind of drawing software. It doesn't have to be complex. Paint or a similar software is good enough. In that software you draw your message. Just draw. There is no bad drawing. It's an art, and art cannot be bad. You think you cannot draw? Wrong. Everyone can. When you are done with drawing, get some food and save your beautifully crafted image on your computer. I would recommend saving it as a PNG because lossless. And now you save your image. It's that easy. But Ollie, you might complain, do you really think anyone will buy my image? It's not even that good. Wait, hold on. You don't sell your image everywhere. You only sell it once in a special sphere, which the people describe as the future, a revolution, the next big thing, a place to find happiness. Some stone people back in the day called that sphere Web3, and now that's the official name. In that sphere, they have these things called NFTs. NFTs are basically digital items, like that image you just created, and a proof of ownership. And for some reason, everything has a high value. Your daughter made an ugly drawing of your wife and her affair. Sell it as an NFT and your daughter's pension is safe. Your dog walks over a sheet of paper after he fell into a bucket of what paint? Transform it into an NFT and you can buy him the premium snacks he always demands. And now you sell your drawing, which conveys your message. Not a good one, but they don't care. On one of these NFT platforms, you are selling the complete ownership and any copyright to the buyer. But do you really want to keep the copyright to that glorious piece of ugliness? I don't think so. After you sold it, as an auction of course, you will see your crypto wallet shine bright like a diamond. Exchange it to a currency of your choice, or not, and enjoy the rest of your day. And now, start flexing with your money, you rich bastard! when you are